When looked on camera shots, they appear very natural, but at the same time, they seem to have some artificial traces. What is this place? This is a typical Chinese garden. You may find that, different from the Western gardens with regular geometry designs, Chinese garden designs strive to make the gardens appear naturally formed, like natural landscape scenery. This is one of the main features of the Chinese gardens. Gardens are the places to provide people with leisure and entertainment. Chinese gardens have a long history. As early as 1500 BC, they were places specially for emperors and nobles, hunting and entertainment. The gardens had plants and trees, flowers and birds, mountains and waters, and pavilions. Chinese traditional gardens were basically built by royalty and nobles and were used for leisure and entertainment. The gardens built by the royalty are called royal gardens. And the ones built by general nobles are called private gardens. The Summer Palace, located in Beijing, is the representative of royal gardens. The Summer Palace is mainly composed of the Longevity Hill and the Kunming Lake, with an area of 293 hectares. Water covers approximately 3/4 of the whole. There are over 3,000 various ancient buildings, which houses a collection of over 40 kinds of valuable historical relics from each dynasty. And over 400,000 garden plants. Therefore, it has been acclaimed as Royal Garden Museum. Because it is the royal garden, the Summer Palace shows its royal luxurious style everywhere. Resplendence and magnificence are blinking in verdant hills and green waters. Humble Administrator's Garden, located in Suzhou, should be regarded as representative of private gardens. Humble Administrator's Garden only covers an area of 4.1 hectares. Though it is small, it is extremely delicate. It comprises eastern, western, and central parts, with 1/3 of its area being water. Small as it is compared with the royal gardens, it looks like a beautiful picture when people stand in the garden, viewing it from any angle. What you are viewing now is Yuanxiang Hall. It lies on the southern bank of the pond, opposite the hills and islands on the east and the west. Lotuses are fully planted in the pond. An eyeful of green comes into sight when it is viewed from the distance. There are small bridges between two valleys. The whole garden looks different in different seasons, beautiful and graceful. Chinese gardens are integrated as a whole, with particular attention paid to the combination of nature and scenery. General attention is paid to mountains and waters, pavilions and terraces. Mountains and waters, pavilions and terraces look more beautiful in each other's company. Moreover, they are constructed in far and near structure. Therefore, there seem no apertures in the Chinese gardens at whatever angle it may be viewed. What comes into sight is always the picturesque scenery. This is a traditional Chinese landscape painting. Can you see the trace of the Chinese gardens? In fact, Chinese gardens and Chinese paintings integrated with each other and developed together, both of which reflect the idea that Chinese place a premium on nature. What are the Chinese gardens like in your imagination? 园林，园林，风景如画，风景如画。